I'm Mick Way, General Manager.
And I'm John Rudlin, Operations Manager here at R&R Murphy.
This year we are sponsoring the Manufacturing Leader Award. R&R Murphy are metal fabricators in the architectural, mining, food and water sectors. The story of our involvement with Hunter Manufacturing fits perfectly with the spirit of this year's theme, Expect the Unexpected.
Back in 2016, our former owner Rod Murphy was convinced by his business mentor to enter into a couple of the categories in that year's HMA Awards. We didn't really think we'd win anything at all, but were extremely surprised when we won the Excellence in Manufacture section. Our table celebrated in a suitably rowdy display of jubilation. We then followed that up with a highly commended in the Excellence in People and Skills Development section with a little bit more celebration. But the night wasn't over yet, so when the big one was announced, we were flabbergasted. Manufacturer of the Year 2016 was R&R Murphy's. We could not believe it. Needless to say, this was a pretty good start to our involvement with HMA, and HMA has proven to be an excellent vehicle for networking, and in particular the promotion of small to medium business enterprises in the Hunter. After a couple of years, Rod wanted to give back to the region and to HMA, and so decided to embark on sponsorship of an award. We continue to honour his legacy to this day.
Like most everyone in the world, we did not expect that COVID-19 was to be declared a pandemic on the 11th of March 2020. But we then managed to add to the unexpected when we lost Rod Murphy, who passed away on 24th of March 2020. 18 months later, the business got new owners. In December 2021, Banlaw purchased R&R Murphy. Through all these challenges, our team excelled. We minimised the impact of COVID-19 to the business with effective strategies that supported our staff whilst reducing exposure risk. Notably, unlike many other businesses, we did not have to close their doors. Remarkably, we grew our business revenue by 34% and our staffing by over 30% during 2020-2022 period. If there is one takeaway from the last few years of the unexpected, it is that you can expect R&R Murphy to succeed. And I'd just like to congratulate all the finalists for this year's award. Thank you.